Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I will be showing you the collection that we will be using for the Besties collab. I am doing a collaboration with Craft with Tea and this Altanew collection, which is amazing. It was an older collection, and I am sure it was probably somewhere about $100 when it first came out. And they had it on clearance for $24 and change. I showed you the receipt earlier on, but you'll see how much stuff is in this box. Unfortunately, the stamp is older, so I think it only goes up to 2020, but that's okay. I have plenty of those type of stamps. It also comes with this little stamp set, these wood veneer pieces, and these buttons. And you know, I don't really need to tell you everything that's in there. You'll see it as I tell you about our collab. So the collab will be starting September 1st, and we will both be creating layouts using the same sketch, and obviously we both have different styles, so our end result will be probably completely different. We're not going to be telling each other what papers or what we're using on them, so that you know we don't have any type of influencing each other. And yeah, so we're really excited about this. There will be a video for every Tuesday in September, so that will be a 5-video collaboration, and we will be using this kit. At first we were thinking about doing a kill a kit, but this kit is huge. It has two sheets of each paper, and I believe it's 24 sheets of paper, and that would have been just, you know, a lot of overkill. I'm not sure what I'll be doing with these postcards, because I've never been to none of these places other than to New York. So if you have any suggestions, let me know, and maybe I can somehow figure out what to do with them. But it is a really cool kit. It comes with stamps. It comes with all kinds of ephemera and stickers and alphabet stickers. And you're going to see me showing them shortly. I did check today. So today is July 29th. I did check today, a few minutes ago. This collection, like this as a kit, is no longer available, but they do have the separate, most of the separate components to this kit sold separately, and they are discounted, so you might still get a you know, a decent deal if you're looking for certain things. I think that was a sticker sheet, and these are a cut apart. And there's also a sheet of acetate, and it has like things written on it, and they're already pre-cut out. So that's actually really cool that you just need to push them through instead of having to fussy cut them. So I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, they're already like die cut. So pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, the paper is beautiful. They're very soft colors, and it was really interesting. I love these die cuts flowers that you see there that are in white. I've seen Missy Whitten use them. I'm pretty sure it was her, and definitely I know they will be making an appearance on one of the layouts. So those are chipboard pieces, and now we're going to get through all the paper. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm only going to show you one of each paper, because you don't need to see both of them, since they're both the same exact thing. So these are the papers that come in the collection. I could see me using that one right there with a punch. Love the wood grain. So yeah, so I'm showing you the papers. I really haven't started my videos, but I'm probably going to start recording them very soon. And so stay tuned to September 1st. You'll see the first video pop up. Make sure to jump over to T's page, Craft with T. She is my crafty bestie, my bestie. She's, you know, I met her through crafting and we have become lifelong friends, and I'm sure we will be lifelong friends. I know that. But look at these papers. How beautiful are those flowers to fussy cut. So follow me to the end where you will see links to other videos and also a link to T's Facebook, YouTube page. Sorry about that. So I will leave you here. Look at that paper. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to fussy cut that. Yep, definitely. You'll see that one on something. This one too. So you guys have a great day. I will see you soon. There will be other videos popping up in the next few days, and I hope you will leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.